how do you get comfortable? Somebody who's in banking, for a while, it tends to be considered one of the most risk averse places to earn a good living. You're earning a great living. How do you get comfortable going from, a top bulge bracket bank, a top VC fund, and be like, yeah, I'm just going to go launch my own business. And I hear you that like, all the partners at the top VCs have this experience, but why not ride it out a little longer and save up some more?
Yeah. So that's a great question. And a lot of people in my network, when I told them that I was going to go start a company,
They're like,
they
wait.
pressed me pretty hard on that.
Yeah.
And I'd say that there are a couple of things that are maybe helpful as a framework. Number one is I was never somebody who wanted to get an MBA. I always I'm someone who's pretty analytically inclined, and just the financial equation of paying that much in tuition and living expenses and opportunity
You
cost.
do seem very logical. You do seem very engineer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The MBA never made sense to me in that regard.
It's too soft of a degree. It's too much about like management rather than like hard analytical skills. And
I think that's a big part of it. And then what occurred to me as I was grappling with, am I really ready to make this jump, is like, well, I've never wanted to get an MBA, but do people do things that are crazier than what I'm about to do at this stage in their life or their career from a financial perspective? And from my perspective, it was like, yes, like a lot of people who are in my cohort, they go get MBAs. And what's an MBA? An MBA is, 200K, give or take, when you combine the tuition and the living expenses. And the way that I thought about it was, if I go start a company, if I burn through 200K of my savings over the course of several years, gosh, like I'd really like to not burn through 200K.